In this tip, we'll see a few examples for sequence unpacking. Consider this list of 3 elements, and I want to assign each of these elements to a separate variable. So instead of manually writing 3 statements and using list index individually, I can use sequence unpacking to do it in just a single statement. So I'm going to provide the variable names separated by a comma, and on the right hand side I can simply provide the sequence. Let us verify. The purchase date should get the first element, vehicle should get the second element, and quantity should be 2346. Let us see another example of assigning multiple variables. This time I'm going to provide the values directly instead of providing a existing sequence. So num1, num2 and num3. I'm going to assign 3 numbers. So let us check the values. You can see num1 is assigned to 3.14, num2 is 42 and num3 is minus 100. Next, let us see how to swap variable values. If you want to swap between num1 and num2, you can provide the variable names and then just switch the names on the right hand side. So now num1 is 42, which was the second element, and num2 is 3.14, which was the first element. So this is not limited to any just 2 variables. You can also do something like num1, num2, num3 is now mapped to num3 and num1 and num2. Unpacking isn't limited to mapping every element of the sequence. You can use a star prefix to a variable to catch all the remaining values if any is left. This will result in a list object being assigned to that particular variable. So let us see an example. Values is a tuple of 5 elements. First, let me show assigning the first element to x and remaining elements to y. So x should have first and y should be a list of these 4 elements. So you can see this is a list object. Let me show one more example. So I'm going to assign the first and last elements, which are strings, to s1 and s2. Whatever is remaining will be assigned to nums variable. Let's verify. S1 is first and S2 is last. Nums should get the remaining elements. So this will be a list of 3 numbers. Hope you enjoyed this tip.